You're what it's like. You're what it's like to It's like a Saturday, 100 miles of interstate, open windows on the road, let's drive. It's like to feel free, like I'm beating heart, finally been released. You're what it's like to feel free. You're what it's like. You're what it's like to feel free. It's not a mystery, I got a little history, taking chances on the edge of a reason. I like to feel the risk and know that I'm living it and giving all I have. You and me, we run together, feel the wind and go wherever. No, never look back, we ride our own track. I never realized that I could find myself so surprised. Oh, you're what it's like to feel free, like I'm 10 feet off the ground. Put your arms around me, and I swear I hear the sound of crashing waves on the ocean, way out on the coast, and sea breeze playing on the east. You're what it's like to feel free. You're what it's like. You're what it's like to
the feel of cool. The sun is on my skin is only a small glimpse of paradise. You're the essence of my soul's desire.